Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Uniswap on Polygon for cheaper swaps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Uniswap on Polygon for cheaper swaps, you'll want to start by setting up your wallet. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to the MetaMask website. Once on the site, download the MetaMask extension for your browser. After the download completes, install the extension and follow the prompts to create a new wallet if you don't already have one. If you have an existing wallet, import it using your seed phrase or private key. Next, you'll need to add the Polygon network to your MetaMask wallet. To do this, open MetaMask and click on the network dropdown at the top. Select Add Network from the drop-down menu. In the new window, enter the following details for the Polygon network. For the network name, type Polygon mainnet. For the new RPC URL, enter https://polygon-rpc.com. For the chain ID, input 137. Set the currency. Now that your wallet is set up with the Polygon network, you'll need to acquire some Matic tokens to pay for transaction fees. You can purchase Matic on exchanges like Binance or Coinbase and then transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. Once you have Matic in your wallet, navigate to the Uniswap interface. Visit the Uniswap website by typing app.uniswap.org in your browser. Make sure you are connected to your MetaMask wallet. If you're not connected, click the Connect button and select MetaMask. Then, choose the token you wish to swap from the drop-down menu. Next, select the token you want to receive in your swap. Enter the amount you want to trade. Before proceeding, check the swap details, including any fees. Once you're satisfied with everything, click the Swap button. A confirmation window will appear displaying the transaction details. Review these details once more for accuracy, then click Confirm Swap. MetaMask will prompt you to sign the transaction. After signing, the transaction will be submitted to the Polygon network. You can monitor the transaction progress by checking your MetaMask wallet or visiting a Polygon block explorer. Once the swap is processed, you'll see your new tokens in your MetaMask wallet. Now you can enjoy lower fees and faster transaction times by using Uniswap on the Polygon network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.